Hi, I'm Mike DeVries. We're at MD Tattoo Studio in Northwest California, and we're here to talk about wipeouts. Basically what we're doing as tattoo artists is we are working on skin, and it's basically a procedure that essentially leads to an open wound. And using sterilized products is the most important thing. It's like opening a pack of needles to sterilize. It should be the same thing. You essentially wipe somebody down with a paper towel, let's say 5 to 1,000 times during let's say a 1 hour to a 12-hour tattoo session. Is that going to have any impact on the heel, that abrasiveness of the paper towel? Wipeouts, they're made out of 100% plant-based, biodegradable fibers. So they're super soft, but I added a custom embossing on it. It took me almost like 3.5 years to get this right. I took everything into consideration, all the way down to the size. It's pre-cut, pre-folded, folded exactly the way that we like. So basically you just break open a pack, throw it on your cart, and you're ready to go. Big time saver, and one pack will actually last 1 or more tattoos. The thing about wipeouts is it's actually cheaper than paper towels because they last a lot longer. Just mark my word, within 10 years, you're not gonna see any tattoo artists using paper towels anymore because it's dirty. Just like a doctor would not be going to the store to get paper towels. It's funny, I asked a lot of tattoo artists, what's your favorite thing about wipeouts? They're like, well, that it doesn't clog your needle. I'm like, so you don't care about that they're sterilized? And they're like, that should be my number one answer, huh? And I'm like, yeah, it should be. But the no needle clog is usually like, when I tell that to artists, they're like, whew, oh my God, because they usually take out a new cartridge. Well, there's money right there that you're gonna save. You can't even force a clog on this, it's impossible. You might get a little fiber, but you just go like that, but it will not clog your needles ever. For what we do, I don't think this is the place to cut corners. It just isn't. Especially with something that you're wiping down your client 1,000 times, with something that's abrasive, this is super soft. You're probably gonna get a better heel. And your clients will notice the difference, for sure. So we have 2 colors, white and black, and a lot of artists ask me like, okay, so should I use white or should I use black? And I might ask the question, okay, so what do you do? Black and gray or color? And if they say black and gray, I'll be like, okay, try the black. Because the black I've seen and witnessed on numerous accounts. I got text messages, DM screenshots, you name it, that are like, oh my God, I didn't believe it until I actually did it. I tattooed all day with 1. So essentially 1 pack could last like 3 or 4 days of tattooing. Or 1 day of tattooing like 5 clients. But you don't want to contaminate your pack on your station. So that's why I recommend, just with gloved hand, just pulling out a few at a time. If you need more, just grab more. We also have wipeouts, individually wrapped singles for tattoo aftercare. It's like, probably to date, I don't know of a safer, more convenient way to care for your tattoo when you're out and about. So the singles, I decided that we should sell them in multiples of 12. Because if you think about it, the first 3 or 4 days is the most crucial time for the tattoo healing process. And so there's 12. So you could either clean it 4 times a day for 3 days or 3 times a day for 4 days. That's why there's 12. So shops could actually earn extra revenue by selling little 12 packs of the singles. And it also ensures that your tattoo is gonna heal probably a lot better. We have dry and wet. And the wet ones are for tattoo aftercare. Wipes on the go or even at home. Super convenient way to wash your fresh tattoo. Other added benefits about wipeouts are that they're non-toxic, no animal testing, vegan, alcohol-free, antibacterial, antimicrobial. And another really cool thing about this is it's no sink needed. You just gently wipe, or or pat your tattoo clean, and it's no rinse. It's a no rinse formula, so you don't ever need to find a bathroom. Wipeouts Dry is available in a 12 count box here, or you could also buy it by the case on the website. We also have subscription to make it super easy for you guys. You gotta try them, you're gonna love them. Go to your local supplier or go on mdwipeouts.com.